class we discussed about the mean, mode, and now we are discussing about the median. So median, suppose I am taking here see here now, suppose I am taking here your marks I am taking here for the FA1 marks I am taking here. Suppose if you seen this one 17, 19, 21, and again 24, and again it is 15. Suppose these are the FA1 marks for you. So here how many terms are there? How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here now we have to find out the median. Median means median we have to know the median values, means we have to know the middle term for these observations. So middle term first we have to take the middle term. So here the arrangement is not there. So we have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. We have to arrange. Now I am arranging here in the ascending order. Ascending order 15, 17, 19, 21, and 24. So how many observations are there? Here is there 5 observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in these 5 observations, what here in the middle term, what is there here? The middle term is there. Here third observation here, the number, how many marks they got? 19 marks they got. Yes or no? So here I want to find out the, mean value, means I have to know the 2 formulas here. Here, so the number of terms is there in the odd number. So odd number means I have to know the formula for the odd number is odd number. Here odd number is there, so I want to find out the median value is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. The term I have to find out. Here how many observations are there? N equal to 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2, that equal to 6 by 2, that equals to 3. So here in the 3, in the what is the value of 3 here? 19 is there. So this is the median of this value is 19. Okay. Now same these marks only 15, 17, 19, 21, 24. Again I am taking 18 I am taking. So now how many observations are? So 6 observations means here the even value we got. So here it is an odd number. 5 is the odd number. So odd number we have the median value is n plus 1 by 2 means n plus 1. Here third term, what is the number we have to find out, means here even number we have the n by 2. At the term we have to find out, and again n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1 median means first here we have to count the observations. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6. So six by 2 and 6, 2 3s. So 3 and here 2 1s, 2 3s. 3 plus 1. So here 3 and 4. So here we have to check the observations in the third observation what is there and fourth observation what is there. In the third observation what is there? 19 is there. And again fourth one 21. So median of these values is 19 and 21 are the median values. Okay. So like that we have to find out for this one. So actual formula for the median for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. So these are problems you are previously in the 9th class you have learned for this all. So first we had to, these data we had to arrange in the ascending order and ascending order or descending order. The middle most value we have to return in the median value. So this is the ungrouped data means we have to first what we have to do? First we have to, so when the data is arranged in ascending or ascending or descending order. Then the middlemost value is called median. So same here what, so in the what the ungrouped data set previously we done, we are taken for the FA1 mark and I have shown for you. So here see median for ungrouped data in 9th class you are already learned this one. Once again we will discuss this one. Yes or no? See now in the median for ungrouped data means when a data is arranged in a ascending order or descending order. We have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Then the middlemost value is called a median. Middlemost value is called a median. So now here the number of terms. Here how many are there? How many observations are there? Now we have checked here. So here 5 is there. So it is an odd number. For odd number we have the formula is n plus 1 by 2. So we have to find out here. N how many is there? 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2 that equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. Again here median of observations n 3. What is the value here? 19 is there. So median equal to 19. Same as it is here also we have the 6 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. 6 observations means we have n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 term we have to find out. So here n equal to 6. So 6 by 2 equal to 2 ones, 2 threes and 6 by 2, 2 ones, 2 threes plus 1. Again 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 what are the values are there in the observation? That observations we have written in the ascending order. No, first we have to write in the ascending order here. 15, 17, again 18, 19, 21, 24. So I am here written as 21. It is wrong, no? So we have to compulsory arrange for the ascending order. So 15. Why I done the mistake means if you have to know that mistake how like we will do in the exam also. Okay. So 15, 17, 18, 19, 21 and 24. So now previously I didn't taken as an ascending order. Directly I done. So 21 and 19 and 21 I written. So that is 21, it is wrong. No. So here we have to check here. So third here third number of terms here, third one, what is the value here? 19. And again, sorry, 18. And fourth term value is 19. So here third and fourth term values are 18 and 19. Okay. So for this definition also we have to say that we have to arrange in the order what are the arrangements are assigning. Middlemost value is called a median. So here middlemost values are 18 and 19. So for this, for the group data, we have the formula for the grouped median. So for this median, for the ungrouped data, sorry, group data, we have to see median for grouped data. So we have the formula for this one for the, so median m equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. F into H. So L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. So for this one problem, they will ask to write what in the formula. What are that value? What are that letters are there? You have to represent that letters. Means we have to explain for each one. Okay. Now here, so L equal to lower boundary of median class. Lower boundary of median class. Again, n equal to total number of values. Total number of values. Total number of values. And H equal to the length of class interval. The length of class interval. The length of class interval. Again, F, we have to find out F. The frequency of median value. The frequency of median class. The frequency of median class. Median class. So this is a third formula. Last week, previous classes, we discussed about the mean, mode, and now median. See now, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. F into H. Again, CF means we have to write here CF. CF equal to the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median value of the class preceding the median class. So L equal to lower boundary of the median class. What the median class we will take, that median class we have to take as a lower boundary Next, n equal to total number of values. How many values are there? We have to check in the given problem. And h equal to length of the class interval. Class interval oka length find out cheskovali first. Next, f equal to frequency of the equal to number of we have to do means n by 2. What that value comes, that is an frequency of the median value will come. That value preceding means before the value we have to take that class as an cumulative frequency. Okay, problem. So now in exercise 4.3 is there. In exercise 4.3, so the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So in this question what they ask, monthly consumption we have to check for electricity of 68 consumers. So how many are there in the locality of consumers? 68 members are there. We have to find out that median, mean and mode. So we have to find out here three problems. In last class and previous classes we discussed about the mean and mode. Now in this problem also once again we discuss that problem. So okay. Now median we have to find out. First what they ask, we have to find out the median. Next we have to find out the mean and again we have to find out the mode. So here monthly consumption we they given 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205 they given. So clearly now I will explain. See now here. So monthly consumption here we are writing. Again I am writing number of consumers I am writing here. And again we want to again continue the class. Okay. The class after this section, please continue the class again. Okay. So monthly consumption and number of you want cumulative frequency. So here monthly consumption 65 to 85, again 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, again 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Okay. So 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Okay. Now here I am written as an consume values also I has written here. So now we have to go through the problem now first. So now here in the question only they gave how many of their here 68 they gave. Yes or no? So first we have to check for the cumulative frequency now. Cumulative frequency we want means see first one 65 to 85 4 is there. 4 members consumers are there. 4 as it is we have to write. Okay. Next second one consumers are there. 5 members are there. Already I have know the 4 members. 4 plus 5 that equal to 9. Again here how many members are there? 13 members are there. Here 9 plus 13 means how many members will come here? 22 members will come. 22. Again 22 plus 20, that equals to 42. 42 plus 14, that equals to 56. Again 56 plus 8, that equal to 64. 64 plus 4 equal to 68. So our here the electricity for 68 consumers of the locality they are. So 68 members we have. Yes or no? 68 are there. So cumulative frequency we want means first one same as first number 4 plus 5 what we get 9 is there. For that 9 again we have to add the consumers. How many are there? 13 members are there. So 9 plus 13 that equals to 22. Again 22 we have to add the consumers of 20 members. 42 consumers plus 42 that equal to 56. 56 plus 8 that equal to 64. Again 64 equal to 4. 4 equals to 68. So now here what is the total here? So equal to 68 by 2. That equals to 34. So here n value how much we got? 34 it is there. So these 34 in the cumulative frequency we have to check which number is near to 34 we have to check here. So if I write here 42 it is a more number to compare to the n value. Yes or no? Here n value is 34 so 42 is more. So it is near to 32 I can take no. So it is 22. So I am taking this is the frequency value number. So here I am taking as an okay. See now here. So it is a 22. 22 means here in 42, 22 in between also is there no. So we have to check. We have to take on this one as an cumulative frequency CF we have to write. So this one we have to write the CF. So this one is 22 is the CF. So here so here so same this one we have to take as an median. Median value here we have to take as an F we have to. So CF we are written. Again we want what are that values? CF we know, F we want, L we want, again H we want. So L we want means what we are taking the CF and 120 are to take the so here L equals to 125 we have to take. Okay. So here L equals to 125 we have to take. Okay. So now again we have to find out the H we have to find out. So here H how much is there means we have to check here. So this is a CF value. So here CF value we have written. Again we have to, in the CF value down is there. So here middle term what is there we have to check. Here in the middle term what is there here? 20 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here middle term what is there? Here middle term is 20. So we have to take an as this is an F. Here we have to take as an F, it is an frequency. In this one we have to take down as an class interval. So here lower boundary class interval what is there here? 125 is there. So 125 is the class interval, lower boundary L equal to 125. Now we have to check the height. Height H equal to, so 145 minus 125 is the 20. So difference is 20. So here H is 20. These values all we have to substitute in the formula. So we know now it is so here L equals to 125 and again CF cumulative frequency equal to 22, F equals to 20, F equals to 20 and again H equal to 20 and N equals to 68. N value we know that is N value is 68. So median we have to take the formula. Median equals to M equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L how much is there? 125 plus. So N by 2 means 68 by 2, that equals to 34. So 34 minus CF value how much?